apparently in this our beautiful country, ukimess up mahali pamoja unapelekwa mahali pengine,
Umess mahali pengine.
unapigwa transfer.
Aje, hebu niambie hii story.
Aya, sasa tuko kwa context. Kuna hao wase wamaliza watu huku, inaitwa aje hii place? Angala. This place yenye wanaambua wanataka watu watoke kwa mashamba zao.
Oh, there's a okay. I saw a story in the news. Story fulani zilikuwa na trend online. Huko penye kulikuwa na hizo evictions. I think it was between makarau na residents.
So apparently hao makarau wenye waliua watu, they just being transferred. Wanapigwa transfer. It's okay. It's comedy. Ni funny unasikia tu kucheka because like make that make sense.
It doesn't make sense. How can you make it make sense? It doesn't make sense at all. But we are in Kenya. But we are in Kenya, and a lot of things that are happening. Saizi hapa in our country as we speak. A lot of shit is happening. A lot of zenye hata huwezi explain zina happen here on our doorsteps. And a thing like how aje to kill someone and then you transfer him to another place.
Yeah,
and then I think it's just the best mtu ana face the law vile inafaa. Mtu ana face the law vile inafaa because na hata pia the other side ukichapa huku you face the law the same way.
Yeah, anyone that breaks the law should face the consequences.
Yeah, you face the law the same way.
Regardless of who you are.
It doesn't make okay. So maybe sometimes unapata mtu ana enjoy privileges you at a certain point, protective some form of protection inakuja by the virtue that you do a certain kind of work. But I don't think it's good. Okay, it might be necessary sometimes. It might be from self-defense. Yeah, you might end up killing someone out of self-defense.
Sure.